Okay, today I'm gonna train my dog over there drinking some water. I'm gonna train him because in a couple of days or a couple of weeks he's gonna make out with a female and then he's gonna have some babies. And I'm gonna try to train him how to defend those babies. He's over there. Well, he's basically chewing on not chewing. He's basically playing with this thing. He doesn't want me to get it. We're gonna try. I'm gonna try make it look like that was a baby. You can see it over there in his mouth. Ah, Jesus Christ! All right, I'm gonna I'm gonna try to make it like that was a baby, and I'm gonna try to make him know how to defend it. I was playing a little bit with him before I start the video. So let's go into it. Alright, it's gonna be a little bit harder because I don't have two hands. I don't have two hands. Even when I had two hands, it was really hard. But now with one hand, I hate this already. He's already splashed me with water. This is bad. This is really goddamn bad, bro. For real, bro. I'm trying to get it. Ooh, alright, guys. Alright. Look, I got it right now. He's already got it, bro. Damn. A pair of mittens. I'm gonna try to do. No. Okay, I got it. I'm basically gonna throw that. Oh! She just threw the camera, bro. Oh! Got it. Alright. I do not know how it's still recording. Alright. Like the video if you like puppies. Like and subscribe if you like puppies. Oh! Ah! Yeet! And he's gonna put it in the water again, splash me again. I do not know how long this video is gonna be. I'm gonna try to make it like 10 minutes. Well, I'm gonna do something, and we're gonna see what's gonna happen. Alright, I'm back. I was doing something. I changed to another pants, and he's still chewing on it. Bruh. Give him that. Oh, he's staring at a port. Oh, I'm not sure if this video is gonna be like 10 minutes because he already teared it apart. And I'm pretty sure, I don't know, but I'm pretty sure that's not what you're supposed to do to a little puppy. Bro, he's literally throwing water everywhere. Like for real, bro. Dog, stop. I'm gonna try to get some treats for him. You okay, Logan?
Roasted, annihilated by her own
Oh no!
Done threw her out.
I was watching.
The only way Big
I was
Sparkly
watching
Unicorns
YouTube.
finally get out. Big Sparkly Unicorns finally.
Alright, I'm gonna try to get. Alright, there are the trees. Alright. I want to try to get one, and I'm gonna see the reaction. Then I'm pretty sure I'm gonna cut the video. Alright, I'm gonna get one of them.
The same thing happened to him. They're like, wow, we died. We've become so petty. Fighting over who has the most successful restaurant. Now the restaurant threw them away. It's like you put so much work and effort into something just to be kicked to the curb.
Alright, I'm done. In my other, I was trying to eat all those treats. Alright, there it is. It's starting to get late. Here's some other treat. Yeah, you want it? By the way, if you know what kind of dog this is, put it in the comment so I can really know who's the smartest of my subscribers. I only have why do I say street, bro? Three. I'm sorry if I cannot say it right. Three. Alright, 3 subscribers. Why am I seeing 3 right now? Alright, wait. Oh god damn! I'm gonna have to go down of the video. I only got 3 subscribers right now. I'm trying to make my way to 1K. We're gonna see. You're gonna see if the video, if you can make it. Alright, sorry. You see the tree. I ain't splashing everywhere. Alright. Oh no. Hey. I know what kind of dog this is. I'm just trying to know which one of my subscribers is the smartest. So if you know how to do it, if you know what kind of dog this is, tell me in the comment section. Oh my god. Jesus, flipping Christ, I'm so cringy. I'm not uploading right now on my PS4 playing Black Ops and Call of Duty and Fortnite, Apex Legends. I'm not playing them right now because I don't know why, but I'm gonna do some videos on my channel, but I'm not gonna have a microphone. I don't know why. I was just playing a game of Fortnite, and then I was playing creative with one of my friends. If you're watching this, Convincing Guns, my mic's not working. I was just playing the game. Oh, and it's 30 minutes already. Oh dang! Alright, I was playing and then my microphone just ran out. When I connect my microphone, I cannot hear anybody, but my mic works. Alright, let's just give him the treat. Okay. Ah, Jesus, flipping Christ. Aye, he's biting my finger. No. Here you go. I dropped it. Alright, he's eating it right now. Oh, it's gonna take 10 minutes or 11, I don't know. Alright. I'm gonna try to get it. I'm gonna see what. Oh, he's hopping for it. Yeah. Oh, he's turning over. I don't even need this. Bro. I don't know. I'm gonna try to make some other ports. Well, this is just gonna be like the basics. Every Saturday, every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday I'm gonna make some parts of them. I just started this. Wait, what? Oh, today's Saturday. All right. I just started it. Tomorrow I'm gonna do another one if I don't have a lot of stuff to study, and I do not know if it's still gonna be here. Well, this is just part 1. I hope you guys like it. I'm just doing the basics. I hope you guys like it. Like, subscribe, turn that notification up, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys. And I'm so cringy. Wow.